Happy Friday, lovelies. I wanted to show you what I'm doing this morning. I'm making some Hawaiian rolls. I'm going to fry some eggs later. So then I have to show you also these buckets that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm basically using them to help my husband with all these hats that he just throws in the closet. So I'm going to show you the colors that they come in. They're so pretty this year. They had stopped selling them, so I didn't know what was going on, but now they're selling them again, so I'm happy. And then that helps like with storage. So if you go to Dollar Tree, then just make sure you get them and you keep them because you never know when they're going to sell them again, basically. Okay, so let me just show you quickly what I'm doing. So here's the Hawaiian rolls. I get the 24 party pack, and then I'm going to make some eggs, of course. Then let me show you the buckets that I use for storage, like little storage. They're real light buckets, so you have to use, you know, with light items in them, store light items in them. Okay, so here they are. I got this color. They're from Dollar Tree. They have all kind of pretty colors there. But I chose this color because not all Dollar Trees have the same colors. The particular Dollar Tree I was at, they had this color and gray. That was it. But I've been to other Dollar Trees where they have purple, pinks, everything. So if you like to store like lightweight items, then this is the bucket for you, like for like your beauty supplies, self-care products, vitamins, stuff like that. This will be a great little bucket. So now I'm just going to put all my husband's hats in here. And I'm sorry, guys, my voice is going in and out. But I wanted to do this little video for you, okay? So, yep, that's what we're working with. So that's what I'm going to do. And I will see you later.